Hey, Powell, thanks for getting back. So going over your page, IWG, looks like you kind of, you help people work in a hybrid way. What I would say is right off the bat, it would be better to have a video here, video that is on autoplay and looping. I see you have a video here, but it's better to have this video VSL just right above the fold here. So you're just giving people more value right away, right off the bat. If we click here, talk to an expert, yeah, this is not optimized. This is basically, requesting a call. It's adding too many steps. They got to fill in a form and then somebody's going to reach out to them better. Ideally, you want to have just a Calendly or cal.com set up. Just when people get to that button, they just already booking a time with you. So that's going to just really reduce steps in your funnel and just get people to get faster to get in touch with someone on your team. Then going on next, you want to really have reviews featured in benefits. You're adding a lot of stuff here, just throwing a lot of people, taking them to different links or different sections, which is not ideal. And you're kind of just, I notice here, you're like, this is okay. Like if you're having from some company give a review, but it's not enough. It's instead of having just one section, one review, have multiple reviews in one section. You can have it as a ticker slider, which will be more optimized. Here you're just kind of just dripping stuff here and there. It's better just have a section with like your top 3 to 4 benefits, then maybe 6 benefits, then some reviews, then a fact, and then here. So what would be much more better is if you could have all this but higher up and just have it just closer together and just even sliding animated. So that would be a lot more optimized. That'll just, people have to go so far to see any type of social proof for featured in. So that's just right off the bat, but it's just, the page is very long. You can condense a lot of it. That'll just add more value without people needing to scroll. And there's really no CTA. So you're going through the whole thing. There's just no, like, find out about what we do. You don't want to do that. You want to have people just converting to the next step